Welcome back. If you are using the Samsung S26 and want a faster, cleaner way to close app and improve performance, this guide shows you the quickest method to manage running apps without changing important settings. Let's get started. First of all, if you are using the swipe gesture navigation bar on your phone, so simply swipe the navigation bar at the very bottom to open the recent app section. Or if you are using the button navigation bar, this time you can tap on the 3-line button icon. This means open the recent app section. After that, here you can see all of the open app listed. Find the app if you want to close. For example, I am close the Samsung internet app. So simply swipe the bottom to top and automatically close it. However, if you want to close all of them app at one time, don't panic. This option is available. This time you can look at the bottom, find the close all button available. Simply click on them and that's it. Automatically close the all app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.